Okay Simon, give us a bit of an overview of the HE851 turbo lifting fixture.
This jig is fairly similar to some of the other fixtures that we already have on site, just that we needed something that would lift the turbos out of the box safely. The fixtures that we had actually didn't fit in the box, so we're having a fair amount of trouble getting them out, where we've come up with this system where it clamps around the actual turbo housing itself, and as it lifts, the actual weight of the turbo holds it secure, so it can't actually fall out. And when it's placed down, it opens automatically, so there's no chance of having your fingers snagged or actually dropping it out of the box, because it's quite a compact unit, so there's no danger of it actually slipping out.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Simon.
No worries.
Here we have the HE851 turbo. Weighs 55 kilos. It needs to be handled for disassembly and assembly operations. Fixtures in the past have been unnecessarily heavy and also hard to handle themselves. So this fixture makes use of the weight of the turbo to provide a clamp and a secure lift.